Zeiss is offering 6 cine lenses for the price of one Supreme. Hey Tony, how's it going?
Hey, doing very well. Happy to have you here.
Great, great. So Zeiss has something new. You have a new series of NanoPrimes. Can you tell me about them?
That's correct. So the NanoPrimes are lenses that we're introducing in an E-mount format. A set of 6 lenses, all T15, so they're super fast. They're also aligned to be very close to the Supreme Prime lenses in look and feel. So you're going to get a lot of that, 6 of those lenses for what you would, what you would find in one lens of the Supreme Prime series.
All right, that's great. And are these completely built from the ground up?
They are. They're a completely new design, capitalizing on the traditions of the Zeiss optical engineering to bring about, in a small format, that high-end cinematic look.
That's amazing. And talking about the look, what kind of treatment do they have?
So they are, the main differences are both in the E-mount configuration, which allows us to keep the lenses small, but also in the lens coatings, which are a little bit different. They're more towards our high-end lenses rather than our Zeiss traditional look. So it gives a lot more of a character to the lens, a lot of more softer feel to the mechanics of the way, not only that it feels in your hands, but the way that the focus looks on screen.
That sounds nice. And I imagine they're still just as sharp as any of the other Zeiss ones, or?
Yeah, of course, they're always sharp. Yeah, but what you'll find is as you rack focus, it's a very soft flow in between, in and out of focus.
Right. And compared to the more expensive series, how's breathing in these lenses?
It's similar to that. There is a little bit of breathing, but it's to build the character of what you're going to see on the screen, to really provide that true cinema for all cinematographers.
Yeah, you're saying for all. You're saying that also because these lenses are for E-mount, but also because the price is a good bit lower, I imagine.
Yes, absolutely. The set of 6 is running around $25,000, so it's really a good introduction to someone looking to get into Zeiss and to build their career around that kind of cinematic look.
That is actually quite affordable, like $2,500 for all 6?
$25,000, yeah, for all 6, and they'll be launching next month.
Jesus, that's actually really good. So I can imagine you might find these as like B-cam lenses in a rental place, but you could afford these as a whole set yourself as well.
Absolutely. For those people who are buying into the Sony universe, especially with the Burano camera coming out, these are an excellent pairing for that camera and that system.
And I don't know if we covered it, but these lenses cover full frame or even bigger?
Full frame, and then just a little bit short to make sure that we have the coverage you need at all focal lengths.
Nice, so to prevent vignetting and everything.
Yeah, absolutely. We want to make sure that you've got that cover, that the circle of confusion is correct.
And say I don't have a Sony, but I'm maybe into L-mount or RF. Is there any timeline with that?
So they do incorporate our interchangeable mount system, so there is the availability for new mounts should that licensing become available in the future.
And is that user changeable, or should we send them back?
No, absolutely user changeable. So easy the marketing guy can do it.
Tony, thank you so much for running us through these lenses. They actually seem like a really affordable, great set of lenses.
We look forward to seeing them out in the world and seeing what people create with them.
So looking forward to that. Thank you so much for this interview. This was Joost for DIYPhotography.net at NAB 2024. Make sure to stick around, we'll be doing more coverage.